Alright you guys, I have a quick TikTok shop unboxing. Before I get into this video, I want to try do a talk through to see how this audio sounds, because I can't use mic on this camera of mine, unfortunately. And I love to come on here and just talk to you guys and roll my eyeballs. But anyways, I'm gonna do it again today because I'm feeling like that. Okay, so I have these items from the TikTok shop I want to quickly unbox with you guys, and I have a lot of videos to film today, so let's get into it. By the way, all the items are not from the TikTok shop. Clock it. Yeah. So first on my list is these tights, sportwear, leggings, whatever it's called these days. These one, ooh, okay. So this is what it looks like. I think I chose a size small with these. Yeah, I chose a size small because I like my tights snugged, like really snugged. And this is the butt lifter tights, which is not usually my favorite, but yeah, we're gonna try these on in another video, so stick around. The next item from the TikTok shop is this jean right here, you guys. Can you guys hear me? So I've been loving TikTok jeans lately because they've been eating. Okay, so this is what this one looks like so. I don't even know what this style is called, but yeah, these one, you know, this extravagant style on the waist. I'm definitely going to try these on in another video, okay? So please stay tuned for that. And the last item from the TikTok shop today, this one right here. I've been wanting this for so long. This melting spray, you guys. Did I say the last one? I have one more item, but anyways, so this one right here, this melting spray. Oh, I have wanted it for so long. So because I'm filming today and I'm also going to film a hair tutorial, I so can't wait. So what a time to put it to test, right? Oh my god, let's see. This one right here. Yeah, moving on to the last item. This one I already unboxed it, you know, because I really wanted to see how good this is, and I also used it for a couple of days. My gosh, I love this product a lot, and I'm also going to film extra video. Did I say extra? A different video with these one today, and I can't wait to show you guys all of that. By the way, this is should I call it a duo spray? It's a setting. No, this is not a setting spray. I correct myself. This is a first spray serum. Basically, you spray these before you apply your makeup. According to the description, this serves like your primer, I would say. So they say this is the hydrating and radiant skin spray, right? And it said double layer serum enriched with white truffle from Italy. Okay, like this. It has this golden thing on the top here, so before you use it, basically shake it. This is an unboxing video, this is not a tutorial. But anyways, that's it for the TikTok shop item. Moving on to another brand. Where's my scissors? This one is from one of my favorites hair brand. If you hear it, you know exactly why I said so. Y'all know I love me some good hair. So it's from no other brand than, drumroll, wiggy.co.uk, you guys. So this is their sponge coils. This is 100% human hair. For those of you, some of you, for some reasons, you doubt me when I say, or when I share some hair with you and I tell you it's human hair. You doubt me. Why? Like, why? Have I lied to you guys before? But anyways, this is 100% human hair. The one for Miracle Knot. You guys know that hair, right? Yes. So this is the kinky texture, and I so can't wait to install this, you guys. So they sent me 2 packs like so. Let me unbox it a little bit so you guys see what it looks like. Sealed. Oh my god, oh my god, this feels like luxury. How do they pronounce it? Oh my word, you guys, take a look at this. Imagine water touching this hair. Oh gosh, there's something hair does to me. I don't know, there's something hair does to me, especially when it's coily. This is just one pack, y'all. One pack. So they sent me 2 packs and I can't wait to install this hair for you guys. This is basically for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching. For everyone watching on TikTok, thank you. For those of you watching on Instagram, thank you. For those watching on Facebook, thank you. For those watching on YouTube, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much, and this is going to be it. Mwah! Bye bye.